It's time for another Amazon unboxing. Okay, so I did the Prime Try Before You Buy, and I picked 6 items. Another pair of Levi's. These are the low pro. Reviews said to size up. I did the 28 in these. I really like the fit. Cute. Ooh, okay, this is a longer mini skirt suede. Obviously, do ourselves Tanner. Such a cute skirt. Right with this cute little sweater vest. Just so flattering. I'm a fan. White denim. Usually with shorts and white pants, I size up 1, but these are my true size 27, but they are too tight, especially for white denim because you can see the pocket. They're cute, too small, definitely need to exchange.